Hello, I'm Jesus, and welcome to video lesson 1 of La Mariposa by Francisco Tarrega. We will be covering measures 1 through 13 in this video lesson. I will be covering the left and right hand fingerings, and before we start, make sure to tune the 6th string to a D or Re. Let's begin. Measure 1, you will plug the 6th string open. Right hand, you will use the thumb. Left hand will hammer on the 6th string 4th fret with the ring finger, like you just saw. Then we'll go down to the 5th string open. You'll pluck that with the thumb on the right hand. The left hand will hammer down with the pinky finger on the 5th string 5th fret, like you just saw. Next note, right hand will press on the 4th string 4th fret. The thumb on the right hand will pluck that. Next note, the left hand index finger will drop and bar on the 2nd fret over the first 3 strings. Right hand will pluck the 3rd string 2nd fret with the thumb, which you should already be pressing from the bar. Measure 2. Middle finger will go on the 2nd string 3rd fret on the left hand. You will use the index finger on the right hand to pluck that. Right hand will pluck the 1st string 2nd fret with the middle finger. You should already be pressing that from the bar. Left hand, you can let go of everything and press on the 1st string 5th fret with the pinky finger. We will play this note 4 times. On the right hand, you will go index middle, index middle. Another substitute for that bar in between the 1st and 2nd measures is when you press the ring and index, middle finger here, then that same index finger can drop to the 1st string. That's another substitution instead of the bar. Measure 3. Left hand pinky finger will move up 2 frets to the 1st string 7th fret. You will press that, and in addition, you will use the index finger to press on the 1st string 5th fret. The right hand will pluck the 1st string with the ring finger and pluck the 4th string with the thumb, both together. As you saw, the left hand pinky finger will pull off to reveal the 1st string 5th fret that you were already pressing with the index finger. We will play this note, 1st string 5th fret, 4 additional times. On the right hand, you will go middle ring, middle ring. We will do a slide from this note up to the 14th fret on the 1st string. You will then replace the index finger with the pinky finger on the 1st string 14th fret instead. We will pluck that using the pinky in the left hand. We will plug that on the right hand using the index finger. Then we go to the 1st string 10th fret. Left hand, you use the index finger to press. Right hand, we use the middle finger to pluck. Then we go to the 1st string 5th fret. We'll use the pinky finger in the left hand to press. Index finger plucks that on the right hand. Then we will press on the 2nd fret and create a bar using the index finger on the left hand. You can let go of the pinky finger. Press on the over the first 3 strings. Right hand on the right hand ring finger will pluck the 1st string 2nd fret from the bar. Left hand middle finger goes on the 2nd string 3rd fret. You press that. The middle finger on the right hand plucks that 2nd string. Finally, for the 4th measure, 3rd string 2nd fret from the bar, you will use the index finger on the right hand to pluck. Instead of a bar there, you can just press on the index finger on the 2nd, middle finger on the 3rd, and then replace that index finger back to the 3rd string 2nd. Measure 5. Pinky finger goes on the first string 5th fret on the left hand. Also, the middle finger goes on the first string 3rd fret. In addition, the ring finger will go on the 5th string 4th fret. So this is a tricky finger. We will plug the first string with the ring finger on the right hand and the 5th string with the thumb. You will pull off that pinky finger to reveal the first string 3rd fret, and then let go of everything, plug the first string open, right hand middle finger plugs that. Left hand index finger goes on the 3rd string 2nd fret. We will plug this note 3 times. On the right hand you will go index, middle, index. Another substitute for this section is to use the index finger on the first string 3rd fret, the pinky finger on the first string 5th fret, and the middle finger. This will allow the pull-off to be easier. Measure 6. This one also has a couple of different options. Index finger will bar on the 12th fret over the first 3 strings. On the left hand, you will also put the pinky finger on the first string 15th fret on the left hand. We will plug the first string with the ring finger on the right hand. Also, you will plug the 5th string open with the thumb on the right hand, both together. We pulled off on the pinky to reveal the first string 12th fret from the bar. After that, you will do another bar with the ring finger in the left hand on the 14th fret, squeezing on the 2nd and 3rd strings. Right hand middle finger will plug the 2nd string 14th fret. Index finger right hand will plug the 3rd string 14th fret. Then you will pull off, as you saw on the ring finger, to reveal the 3rd string 12th fret from the bar that you had from before. You will let go of everything, and you will plug the first string open with the middle finger on the right hand. That same measure, without a bar, instead you can do this. Index finger and picking fingers on the 12th and 15th fret on the left hand. The ring finger will go on the 3rd string 14th. Middle finger will go on the 2nd string 14th. Middle finger will go on the 3rd string 14th. You will plug the 2nd string, 3rd string. Index finger goes behind that on the 3rd string 12th fret, so you can pull off and get that note. You will let go and plug the first string open. Measure 7. Left hand goes to the 1st string 2nd fret. Pinky finger, let it hover over the 5th fret. We'll plug the 1st string with the ring finger on the right hand and the 6th string with the thumb on the right hand, both together. You will hammer on the 1st string 5th fret with the pinky, as you saw. You will let go of the pinky, plug the 1st string 2nd fret again, which you should already have kept from before. You will use the middle finger on the right hand to pluck. Middle finger goes on the 2nd string 3rd fret on the left hand. You will pluck that with the index finger on the right. You will pull off on that middle finger to get a 2nd string open, and then replace that middle finger again on the 2nd string 3rd fret. Use the middle finger to plug that on the right hand. Measure 8, ending 1. You will go to the 2nd string 2nd fret, press that with the index finger on the left hand. The index finger on the right hand will plug that together with the 5th string open with the thumb, both together. We'll do a slide on that 2nd string, but you will use the ring finger to replace that. You will press on the 2nd string 12th fret. You will pluck on the right hand with the ring finger. Index finger on the left goes to the 10th fret. Middle finger plugs that on the right. Left hand ring finger goes to the 3rd string 12th fret. Index finger on the right hand plugs that. Let go of everything. Come back to the top of the neck. First string open, use the middle finger to pluck that on the right. Left hand index finger goes on the second string, second fret. Index finger on the right hand plucks that. Measure 9. Left hand ring finger goes on the third string, fourth fret. Middle finger on the right plucks that. Left hand third string, second fret with the index finger pressing. Right hand index finger plucks. Fourth string, fifth fret, you will press on the left hand using the pinky finger. Right hand middle finger plucks that. Left hand fourth string, fourth fret, ring finger. Index finger plucks that on the right. Fourth string, second fret, index finger pressing. Middle finger on the right hand plucking. Fifth string, fifth fret, pinky finger on the left pressing. Index finger on the right hand plucking. Measure 10. Fifth string, fourth fret, left hand ring finger pressing. Middle finger on the right hand plucking. Fifth string, second fret, index finger left hand pressing. Index finger right hand plucking. Fifth string open, middle finger right hand plucking. Sixth string, fifth fret, left hand pinky finger pressing. Index finger plucking on the right hand. Sixth string, fourth fret, ring finger on the left pressing, middle finger on the right plucking. Finally, for that measure, sixth string, second fret, index finger pressing on the left, index finger plucking on the right. Now you see the repeat signs. You will go back to the top. You will do measures 1 through 7 again, but then you will skip to ending 2, measure 11. Measure 11, ending 2. Pinky finger on the left hand on the fourth string, fifth fret, pressing. On the right hand, you will use the middle finger to pluck the fourth string, but you will also use the thumb on the fifth string open. You will pluck both together. After that, left hand index finger goes on the fourth string, second fret. You will use the index finger on the right to pluck. Fifth string, fourth fret on the pressing on the ring finger on the left, middle finger on the right plucks. Fifth string open, index finger on the right plucks. Sixth string, fifth fret, pinky finger presses on the left, middle finger plucks on the right. Sixth string, second fret, index finger on the left pressing, index finger on the right plucking. Measure 12. Lift up everything. Sixth string open with the thumb on the right. Ring finger on the left, hammers on the fourth fret. Then you will pluck the fifth string open with the thumb on the right. Pinky finger on the left, hammers on the fifth fret. Left hand ring finger goes on the fourth string, fourth fret. Right hand thumb plugs that. Index finger on the left hand, second fret, third string. Right hand, you will use the index finger to pluck. If you want here, you can also do a bar with the index finger covering the first 3 strings on the second fret. This way, it's familiar to the way we did it from the beginning of the song. But it's not necessary if you prefer. Measure 13, only 1 note there. Left hand middle finger goes on the second string, third fret. Right hand middle finger presses that, plucks that note. Then you rest for the remainder of the measure. And this concludes lesson 1. Thank you.